We've already seen a double hoe, now it's time for a triple pitchfork. In the right hands, even basic pallets can be turned into charming seedling boxes. If an unexpected frost hits during what seemed like a warm spring, and the temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius, this setup will help keep your greenhouse warm. A seasoned gardener always finds a way. In this case, he's laying down mulch film on his own, just as fast as with a team. This attachment helps protect your crops from accidental damage while working with high-pressure herbicides. A useful trick for working with cucumbers. Here's what makes this DIY rail system from scrap materials so useful. Some protective clothing and a double hoe. I wonder how terrifying this setup looks to the birds. This homemade hilo works like a charm in potato beds. Growing cauliflower is a sun protection hack for you. Place a bouquet of wildflowers in a pot like this, and let the wind spread the seeds. Baking molds of different shapes can come in handy when preparing planting holes. This system lets you feed your plants without bending over or crawling on your knees. Planting perennials turned into a chance to show off another clever hack. Yet another way of turning a plastic bottle into a planter. Flexible garden edging helps give your plot a neat and tidy look. This wooden planting template is a must-have for anyone who loves perfectly straight, orderly garden beds. a hand organ, and good teamwork. That's the secret to flawless flower beds. This grafting technique significantly increases plant survival rates. A fork isn't just for eating. It also makes a surprisingly effective weeding tool. Here's how you can lift a bucket without having to climb down when working at height. One way to mulch strawberry beds. With just some stones and water, you can attract helpful pollinators to your garden. Here's how to make a mosquito coil. Double as an ant repellent. Here's a simple tip that can come in handy, more often than you'd think. You can use a pot and a cork to create an automatic watering system. This little pond setup looks especially nice, with a small solar-powered floating fountain. This homemade fire pit is made from granite, which gives it a stunning look. Here's a handy trick for peeling garlic. A cookie tin turns into a flower pot, nice enough to give as a gift. Why not make an arch-shaped plant support? I missed it if the stones in your garden won't stay put. Check out adhesive products like Lockscape Sticky Rock. A clever way to plant seeds with precision. Using a toothpick. An unconventional way to add candles to your garden setup. When there's a lot to do, creativity is the key. Check out this homemade tractor-powered super mower. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Before tossing that banana peel, try wiping down your plant leaves with it. To protect pampas grass in winter, you can tie it up with twine, or a more decorative option like this. For stronger tomato plants, try feeding them with eggs. Check this unusual raised bed made from cement bags. A vegetable peeler can help you turn twigs into simple plant labels like these. Towers like these are a real lifesaver for gardeners with tiny plots. For example, you can plant 15 strawberry bushes in just 1 square meter. This mailbox not only keeps your letters safe from the weather, but also adds charm to your house. A well-thought-out method for tying up cucumbers.